Jobs that require hot work permits, such as welding or torch cutting, come with several dangerous elements that can severely compromise the safety of operators and nearby individuals. An effective way to improve safety while conducting hot work in hazardous areas is to equip operators with hot work permit cords. The benefits of using hot work permit power cords include the following. Enables full mobility with equipment around the hot work area. Reduces accidents by maintaining a safe working distance. Ensures equipment is properly working at all times. And they're more cost-effective than converting non-explosion-proof equipment. With decades of experience in the industrial sector, Larson Electronics understands the challenges of performing hot work in hazardous areas. That's why we offer an assortment of heavy-duty power cords for these types of jobs. Our hot work permit cords feature various cord lengths and types, as well as plug and receptacle configurations. Standard models have an explosion-proof male plug on one end and a general area female connector on the other end. Assemblies with tri-tap receptacles, weatherproof covers, and inline GFCI protection are also available in this series. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.